So, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux uh, in virtual machine. I'm using VMware Fusion, but the steps are same in VMware Workstation in Windows and either in Mac, VMware Fusion. So what you need to do, first you need to go to the kalilinux.org website, and in here you have the download section menu. Let's see, what do we have here. Now here you can read about the updates, but let's jump directly to the download section. In here, the first option is download Kali Linux. Okay, let's go in here and check. Let me make it a little zoom. Okay, so this is the, if you want to install the Kali Linux from the scratch, so you need to download this file. Or if you want to download the VM image, so you can just open it and use it directly. So you can download this from here, from this section. Okay, but I will do that from the beginning, so maybe some of us or some of the students which are joining new, so they should have some information that how we are installing Linux in a computer. So go ahead and download this. I have already downloaded in here. It's in my desktop. The format of this file is ISO. So whenever you have finished the downloading, open your Virtualbox or VMware Fusion. In Windows, you probably have this view. Although this is the workstation 12, but this is not update. Yeah, the current update is 16. But the view or the menu or the options may be available here easily. So click on the create new, then you will see a pop-up that it will ask you that where you have downloaded this file. So I'm gonna minimize this one. Let's go and continue from VMware Fusion. I'll add new. Okay, I'm gonna install new Virtualbox, virtual machine. And in here, what do I have? Install from disk image. I'll have this one. Okay, continue. I can drag. It says that drag your ISO file here. Okay, I can also drag and drop and look, or just let me close it. Cancel. I can also click new, then install from disk or image. Just click continue. Okay, so if you might not see the image of this file in here, you need to open it from where you have downloaded that, where the file is, the ISO file is located. I'm going to open it. Okay, continue. Then in here, yes, the type of my operating system will be Linux. I'm gonna select the Debian, the latest one, 10x, and the 64-bit one. Okay, continue. And continue. What else we have? Let's customize some settings. Okay, I think the customization, but we have only what? Okay, let's name it Kali Linux Linux 2020.3. Okay, save it. It will be saved, and before starting, I'm gonna assign it a little bit of more RAM, although this is enough. But if you have good resources of RAM, I mean 16 GB or above that, you can bring that up to as you let's bring it 3 GB or any amount of RAM you are giving that. I'm going to choose 2 processors. Okay, and what else do I? Yeah, keep in mind that you have to also increase the size of hard disk, because by the time when you are installing some programs, some what you can say applications, you might you might face some issue that it will not update, it will not upgrade because of low space. Okay, this 50 GB is for now it's enough. Apply. And what else do we have here? I think we are done in here. Okay, so let's click on the go button, play. It will be loaded now. Okay, let's minimize it. Okay, I just hear the beep sound, which was from RAM. Okay, graphical install. Let's go for a graphical. I like to have installation with graphical GUI. Okay, let's wait a minute. A drink of water. Okay. Language. The language must be English. United States of America. Okay. Okay. United States of America. But I'm not there. I'm not in America currently. I'm gonna choose some. Where in this which section it was? Language section, English. I'm going to choose India because of the time. American English I prefer. Okay. Detect and mount installation media. Okay, go ahead. We have plenty of time tonight. Okay, but let me turn on the I have already installed the Kali Linux. I'll show you something there. Yeah, let it run. You're there, be there. Okay. We'll wait for the installation for this step. You can increase the speed of the video. You can make it either in 2x. We have our Linux running here. Okay, configuring network, the DHCP using DHCP protocol. Let it be there. Okay, so what do we have in here? Configure manually. Do not configure. We try. Let's make it. local address CV. Okay, yeah. I'm going to log out of here and I'll show you something when we reach to that section. Okay, log out. It's going to log out now. Let's wait for this one. Your network program not using the DHCP protocol. Alternatively, the DHCP server. Okay, continue. Do not configure network this time. Okay, the name of Kali, host name will be Kali. Good. Where we will see this Kali. If we rename this, see, previously I haven't touched the host name. That's why I have the Kali in here. Okay, if you change it to, suppose you have changed it to the name of your organization or a name, you will have that in here, and this is the username. So you can change it or leave it as it is. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Full name, I'll name it my own name, guys. Okay, username, my easy password. No, I don't want to show it. Okay, continue. Detecting the desk, blah 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 blah. I couldn't read the complete sentence there. Loading additional components. Okay, go ahead. Okay, yes. Let's configure some disk space in here. I'll use manual because I want to show you, I want to make you familiar with the disk partition in Linux. Okay, go to manual. I have assigned my disk space 50 GB, and in here I will partition this one. Okay, choose this one. Okay, well here what says you have selected an entire. Yes, I have selected the entire. Then if you proceed with creating a new partition table on the device, then all current partition will be removed. It's okay because I want to have a swap partition. Okay, we'll come to swap. Let's get it from here. Create new partition. Yeah, I will have 50 GB. Okay. What it says, the maximum size. Okay, I will have a partition of 3 GB. 3 GB. Let's type 3 GB. Yes. Go. Logical primary. Okay. So it will be because this is the swap. So I will choose it. I will select it to be the end because the beginning section will be our main partition, which our operating system will boot from there. So if I choose select the beginning, so because we are not installing the Kali Linux in this swap file, so we will not be able to boot the operating system from this device. I mean, by default, it will select the first partition to boot the operating system. Continue. Okay, you will select it what? Swap file. See, you will choose the swap file, swap area. Okay, no, do not make it bootable. Delete the partition. Done. Okay, swap done. And now let's partition this one. Create a new partition or automatically partition free space. Partition. Let's select this one. all files will be, yeah, choose this one, and let's yes, it should be the where it goes, yes. Use it as an extended or ext for extended journaling file system. Yeah, we must select this one. Okay, and done setting up the partition. Okay, yes, we are done now. This is our swap file, swap area. What is swap for? Yeah, swap is for suppose you have a laptop which has 5 GB or 6 GB of RAM. So on that time, if your machine goes out of RAM, or if if you are opening some applications in your VM, so it obviously it requires RAM to open that. So on that time you may face you may go out of space in your RAM. So on that time, this swap area, which is actually hard disk, it will work as a RAM. So some of your files, some of application files will be go to this area, and it will uh, operate from there. I mean this swap area, which is a hard disk, partition. It will work. It will work as a RAM. Okay, that is the concept behind the swap. Okay. Now let's click on the finish partitioning. Okay, what here do we have? If you continue the changes, yes, I want to continue. Okay, installing the base file system. Okay, now let's log out and log out. It's going out now. 30 seconds. Okay. It will take some time. You can skip this. I may not edit this video because I am very poor in video editing. So I will upload as it is. You can increase the speed of the video, or you can skip it. Okay, I have opened this one for you just to show you that there in coming section, in the coming next part, you will see some options that it will ask you, would you like to install these, we can call it theme. I don't know the exact name that what should I call them, but this is the theme, the look of the operating system. See, if I choose the norm classic, my password, and you will wait, and you will see a blank screen. Okay, come on. Come on. Let's see how much memory is occupied. 10 GB is occupied. Processor is that's difficult because of software. The processor is 222% utilized by XPC service. That belongs to this one, maybe. That's why the first machine, yeah. See, this is the look. This is, although this is the Kali Linux 20.3, see, but the look is very simple. This is a theme. Your name. See, what it is. 23. The average 2027. Wow. And look, Debian, this one, and this is version. And if I choose another one, and then from here, log out. Okay, so it's about to finish. I'll choose another theme. No, we'll try all of them. Okay, my PC password. Okay, it will take some time. It will take 2 centuries to load. Okay, no network error was detected. Continue without a network. Yes. You might not face this. Okay, this error. I have faced it. I'll fix that after installation. Okay, and the second one was this one. Okay, this is very simple. See, this is the menu of your application, and then other things are here. This is a simple theme, and let's try another one till that installation is being completed. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. In here, I was trying to tell you what. See, this is the norm. Okay, I'm going to choose all of this. Norm, KDE Plasma. Let me show you what is KDE Plasma. KDE Plasma is what? This one is very impressive for me. I'm using Plasma. It is attractive. And choose what else? Top 10 most popular tools. I have selected all. Okay, but if you do not need those things, those themes which I have shown you, you can deselect it, unselect it, and this one, but let it be. Okay, this is these options are for that purpose. Okay, yeah, let it be loaded. And this is the Plasma, KDE Plasma. Okay, let's continue. I'm going to open. In KDE Plasma, one thing that I have liked a lot is the Conquer. See, you can use it as a browser and as a file manager. Let's get to the Google. Go to Google. It will open Google. Now it's acting as a browser. You can use it as a browser. But if you want to use it as a file manager, see, it will open the file manager. Come on, man. Go to home. See, it works very fast. Blah, blah, blah. Go back. But if you open a folder by the help of Tuner or in here Dolphin, it will take 2 or 3 seconds to open it. See, This is a Dolphin file manager. I prefer the Conquer. And in here, yeah, this was the Plasma. In Plasma, you have good GUI, impressive GUI. You can, let me close it. You can add widgets in desktop. What else? There are lots of things in here. Themes, very attractive themes, wallpapers. These are all the widgets which you can use. But one thing I couldn't find that in the Linux, in Kali Linux, the note, the sticky note. But that sticky note is in Parrot OS. I have only clipboard. One clipboard is here. I'm gonna have another one in here. If it opens, yes. See. What else? If you add this one, memory status, you can use this one also. This is the widgets. Close it. Okay. See, swap is working now. 17 MB. I don't like that. Remove it. Remove this one item. Okay. Till this one installs, let's explore the other themes. It's working very slow. Log out. Log out. Yes, buddy. Log out. It's installing. And one thing more, I should not forget that whenever you are installing a fresh system, you need to take the screenshot, the image, a screenshot. Let's see what is the name of that. Snapshot. See, I have two snapshots here. One, although this is not the fresh, but I have taken the snapshot after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks of installation, because the system might crash or something goes wrong, you must have an option of reset, so that you don't need to reinstall everything from the scratch. Just click on this. For example, I want to start from here. See, it says that restore from here. You can restore your machines from that state. Okay. Okay. What we were about to do? Open it. Okay. And this is the login design. Login. What do you can call it? Login window. If I choose, let me show you in Google. Okay, what is the name of GDN3? GDN3 Linux. Image. See, you will see a login window like this. And if you choose the light DM, you will see something like this. Or let's specify the Kali Linux. Light DM Kali Linux. It will be like this. And what will be the STDM? I think I like the STDM. Kali Linux. Yeah, STDM is much better and attractive. Okay, if you want to go with HTTM, just click on that and continue. Yeah, which option we have selected? Which thing? XFF, something like that. So that is the this version of Kali. Previous version, which I think it was 2020.2, and I like this one also, but I prefer Plasma. Okay, we have covered a lot of things from here. You may not need to to Google another video for those options which we had during the installation. Okay, I'm gonna pause this one right now. Come on, yes, pause so we could free up some RAM and CPU. Okay. Let me pause the video if it's possible. Oh, I think skip is not working. Yeah, skip is not working to pause this video. How to pause in whenever you are recording the screen with the help of QuickTime Player. During the recording of the video, press escape button, then this little icon will pop out in here, and press option button. The icon of stop will be changed to the pause, and then click on that. Okay, and finally, after 1,000 years, we reached to this section. Okay, install the grab bootloader. It seems that this is new installation. Install grab bootloader. Yes, private drive. Enter device manually. No, enter. Select this one. That one. Okay. Finishing the installation. Go ahead. I have 2 cents now. $1 and 2 cents. 2 cents. I mean, this installation took us 3 decades. And what? And we got old, but the installation process is still running. I'll ask my sons to complete this installation process for me after my death. Okay, the installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Sure. Okay. Okay. Enter the first option. And then what we will see here? Alt Control. I'm going to make it full screen. And the beautiful logo. Okay. It's loading. Loading. This is the first time. Yeah. See? And here we have all those options now. I'm going to choose Plasma. And this is the STDM, I think STDM or DDM3. Somehow. Something like that. We are having that view, that design. And my password was that simple password. And Plasma will appear here. Plasma logo. No. Plasma didn't appear here. Yeah, see? Now we have Plasma. It's loading. Okay, come on. And we have our Kali Linux installed. Okay, but let's see. Yes, everything is ready. You will not have a menu in here, up in here. You'll have just something like this, like Windows. You'll have that there. Bring that in the add to into task manager. Okay, the terminal, my terminal console. Console. Okay. Let's open the terminal, my terminal. Let's see the difference. Okay, you might see that you might have asked yourself that why we do not have the ZSH in here. ZSH as we have seen in the Kali Linux. KaliLinux.org. Let's go back to that website. Yes. Kali Linux. Go back. Yeah. This is the CSH shell. Why we didn't have that there? Click on it. Because in this version 2023, the ZSH is an optional that you can set that manually, but in the coming update 2020.4, the ZSH will be the default shell. So how do we do that? Let's first see that do we have that shell installed or not. Here you see shells. ZSH we have it here. If we type ZSH, see we are having them, but by default this is not set. Okay, how we can configure that? We will, okay, if you do not have installed the GSH, copy this one, this file, this line, then this line, and what, and you can type this, that it will appear the CSH type. I don't know what we can call it, but if you want to keep it, just select this one. Okay, I'm going to start from here, copy, paste it in here, Control Shift V. Let's run it as a sudo. Sorry, might not be some issue. Password. Okay. And what else? Oh, we have typed that. And CSH. Okay. Copy paste. And by default, we must have 8. What's the window? Terminal, not console terminal. Come on, GSH. Okay, that might be after the reboot of the system. Okay, so we successfully have it installed, our Kali Linux. Until next time.